Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and today I wasn't actually going to film. So basically I bought a new wig and I find it too long for me because I'm quite a short person and long hair doesn't really suit me that much. I don't mind wearing a long wig as long as it doesn't reach my bum, which in this case it does. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be cutting my wig with the help of my lovely husband, of course, who's not going to show his face on the camera because he's quite shy. A little disclaimer out there, I have not cut anyone's hair before. I've not cut any wig before. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, but yeah, I'm just gonna wing it. So hopefully I do this right, and if I do, hopefully you learn something from it too. Basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to cut it, but I'll also maintain the layers because this wig actually has quite good layers in it. So yeah, hopefully I don't mess this up. Pray for me, fingers crossed. And yeah, let's go right on to the video. Okay, I think that the length looks quite good. It's not really that hard to cut it because it's like it's wavy. If I did mess it up, you couldn't really tell that I did because of the waves of the wig. But anyway, I'm gonna thin it out using the razor, and it should look a tad bit better than it already is. In my opinion, it doesn't really look that bad. I think it looks quite good. And yeah, let's thin it out. I'm done with trimming my wig. This is the final length. I didn't really cut that much. I basically just trimmed it a bit shorter, and then I thinned it out using the razor. I probably shouldn't have. I didn't really know what I was doing. I'm not a professional. I'm nowhere near a professional hairdresser. I just took a risk and tried to not mess it up. What do you guys think? I probably did something wrong. I don't know. If you think that I did wrong, or if you think that I did pretty well, kindly let me know in the comment section down below. I would really love to hear your thoughts about how I did today. And so yeah, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, guys. That's it for today. I know this is quite a short video, but I really hope that you still enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something from me today as well. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!